I once lived in a house where the landlady reared animals like dogs, goats, hens, and stuff like that. Unfortunately, I found it difficult to condone the way these animals used to mess up the whole compound, especially my frontage. Each time I went to work and I came back, I would meet the goats at my frontage, everywhere littered with feces and urine. I would have to drop whatsoever I brought from work and start cleaning my frontage for fresh breath. So I used to pursue those animals from my frontage, from my area, and at times I hit them. And one day, while I was pursuing the goats, the woman caught me. Of course, she was not happy about it, and she didn't hide it. And she said to me, love my dog. Meaning, if truly I loved her, I should embrace everything about her. In today's video, we will explore how this relates to the series, The Right Approach to Fatherhood. But before we do so, if you're coming across my video for the first time, my name is Abigail, although people call me the Elegant Woman. My mission is to guide us through the path of refinement and sophistication so that we may realize our full potentials as individuals. If you have yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly do so right now. Subscribe to my channel, hit the bell, the notification bell, so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Then give this video a thumbs up, comment, share with friends and family. And without further ado, let us dive into today's video. All around us abound children who are neglected, who are abandoned by their fathers, all because the mothers fall out of grace, fall out of favor with them. This usually happens in two ways. One, when the lady or the mother is pregnant out of wedlock, this woman is neglected, is abandoned to take care of herself and your born child all by herself. All the responsibilities of parenthood on her. A friend of mine went through this ordeal while we were in the secondary school. Of course, she got pregnant for this guy, but the man refused paternity. Unfortunately for her, her parents were indigent, so they couldn't cope with her and the unborn child, so she had to drop out of school to take up menial jobs to sustain herself. Recently, I met her not too long ago, and I asked, "How far? How is your son?" And she began all over again to relate to me what she went through those times. And she told me that she will never forget. Number two, when a case of infidelity is established, that is, where a man leaves his family, leaves his wife, leaves his children to join himself to another woman outside. Alternatively, a man will be under the same roof with his family, yet all the affection, all the love, everything he stands for is with another woman outside. He subjects his family, his wife, his children to unpalatable situations, hardship, not minding, not caring for them. The irony I see in this situation is that after many years, the man makes a comeback, especially when the child becomes prominent in the society. When they see that the child or children that they have abandoned have become a force to be reckoned with in the society, then they now expect the woman and the children to give them a warm embrace. This is usually resisted by the children because the man was not there for them while growing up. As much as possible, no children should bear the brunt of infidelity or of conflict between a man and his wife. A man should take responsibilities for any child he brings to the world. Maybe I should educate you a little that every child that surfaces on earth, God has a purpose for him. And God has captured such a child in his agenda. And you don't even know the plans of God for the child that you have abandoned. And one thing I have seen in my little sojourn on earth is that such children that are abandoned, they usually become a rallying point for the families. And this is the case of Jephthah in the Bible, in Judges chapter 11 and 12. As much as possible, men should avoid making babies when they are not ready to become fathers. Men should learn how to keep their vessels, their growings in holiness and dignity until they are ready to accept the responsibilities that come with fatherhood. Children are God's heritage. We are only steward. And our duty is to train these children, to raise them appropriately so that they can become the very individual God wants them to be. When we fail to do this, it attracts negative consequences from God and, of course, from the children as they grow up, because the father was not present when they were young. This is where I'll be drawing the curtain for today. And I do want to believe you have gained value for your time. And I want to sincerely thank you for watching. Until some other time, when we'll be meeting again, I say elegance to the world.